Welcome to lesson 1.3. In this lesson, we're going to learn about the commutative property of addition. Are you ready? Let's jump in. In lesson 1.2, we learned that individual numbers and the addition between two numbers are both considered numerical expressions. We also learned that two numerical expressions are equal if they represent the same quantity. Remember that we use the equal symbol to show that the numerical expression on the left is equal to the numerical expression on the right. We now introduce a natural and very important property of addition, the commutative property. The commutative property of addition is stated as A plus B equals B plus A. The commutative property of addition simply states that the order in which two numbers are added does not matter. For example, adding 2 apples and 3 apples together results in the same quantity as adding 3 apples and 2 apples. Mathematically, we can write 2 apples plus 3 apples equals 3 apples plus 2 apples. Or simply 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. We can also see on the number line that 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2. But how is the commutative property of addition useful? You might not realize it, but you probably already used the commutative property when adding two numbers. For example, when adding the numbers 7 and 109, instead of starting with a smaller number of 7 and then adding 109 to it, you probably naturally begin with a larger number of 109 and add 7 to it. This likely happens without you even thinking about it. We can also see on the number line that when adding the numbers 7 and 109, rather than starting at 7 and moving 109 spots to the right, it is more practical to start at 109 and move 7 spots to the right. As you can see, the commutative property of addition is not only a natural, but also a very important and practical property. That's it for now. Next time, we'll cover the associative property of addition, which will help you understand how three numbers can be added together. I'll see you in the next lesson.